don't know if I talked to you guys yet about this, but this is the Evo that I just picked up. I'll have some videos on it pretty soon. Hopefully you guys will want to watch it. Also, we haven't made a video of it yet, but this is Phil's 2000 A4. We'll have a lot of videos on that too, hopefully you guys want to watch that as well. Right now we have our friend coming. We're going to be doing some things to his car. We're gonna try to lower it.
We're doing it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
There's no going back.
Yep.
One way forward.
Yep. He's also has a lip, has rear spats.
Damn, so we got a lot to do.
Yeah, we got a lot to do, man.
Well,
should be alright though.
That's what we live for, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. What up, man?
Good morning.
What's going on, man? So this is, what year is this thing again? 2016 Subaru WRX. We're gonna do some stuff to this thing, man. It's gonna be nice.
Big toys?
Yeah, all right. You breaking them out already? Okay. Dang, okay. Cool. Yeah, just roll them there.
Forgot the lip. I have to go back. Oh my god. The legs. Yes, Phil. What? How are you? Good to hear.
Got the lip right here.
Tune you up. And if your girl comes through, we tune her.
So we'll be installing these as well.
Tune her up too. Get power. How you liking it so far? It's not that low.
Alright, so this is just factory height. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it started as and where it's going. So
working with Omar. Little Omar. Big Omar's behind the camera at the moment. Working on a 2016 Sub. Is it STI? No, it's on it. Okay. So we've got some rims to work on. And some coilovers. Do we know anything about the coilovers? Okay. How low are you looking to go?
Inch.
Yeah.
I dropped it an inch already, so.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
And do we know anything about the rims?
They're just 18s.
Okay.
Super speed.
And we've got a lip to put on. Do we know the name of the company for the lip or not?
No.
Okay. And then we've got some spats.
Yeah. Rear spots.
And
Fog light.
oh, okay. Okay.
Rear fog light.
Alright.
And take it somewhere else.
Okay, well, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to dive in and see if we can hammer this thing out. We all have things to do, places to go, but we gotta have some fun first. So let's get going. I'm gonna jack this thing up and get moving.
Omar, where's your key?
What size? Oh, okay. What size, Omar?
19.
19?
Yeah. You mean this? Hold up.
Pass me that.
Yeah, this is the one that didn't have the key. So funny, man. They gave me the.
All right, to start, the bolts are 19s. Yep.
Got everything for like almost half the price.
Yeah, man, that's the way to
I
do
think the
it.
only thing I didn't get half the price was the access port,
Yeah.
but it was like $200 cheaper.
Do we have a brick or something?
Yeah, I have a piece of wood right there. Yeah, put that behind one of the wheels.
I still need an alignment though.
No, yeah, anytime you lower the car, you gotta get them.
My
I just got
You know
No, it was like drony. It's not even smooth. Weak. Whatever.
gloves?
These things look like they're gonna be like 14s, man. Hey?
I think so. Nice and smooth.
We'll confirm later on. All right, so we just finished taking out the shock. We're about to put in the new tin coilovers. It's gonna be pretty slick. There they are. All right, let's get them in there.
Okay, so we've got the coilovers on. Sitting nicely. Had to make a little modification because there's no plug for this tab for the sensor, so we just zip tied it. But it's not stressing anything, so we should be okay.
Omar, is that
So I'm going to put that wheel on and see what it looks like.
All right, if you're have a 2016 WRX and you want to remove the rear suspension, all you got to do is pull that bolt there, which is a 17, and then to the back, just the two 14s there, and then yeah, it should come out.
Never heard that noise before. Yeah, there we go. So you see how there's like plastic?
Yeah.
That went too far in now. Try pushing it back out. Boom. Try pushing the light.
Okay.
Yo! Yeah, the light. You gotta try pushing the light out first.
No!
All right, so far we've gotten all of the suspension done. We got all the wheels put on. What's the time? It's 4 o'clock?
448.
4:48. So when do we start?
Yeah, about
12:30. So 4 hours to get all the suspension done, wheels put on. We're about to put on the slip now. needs to be dumped more. That side? It might have went too much. Yeah, that's how it should be.
It could be because it's on wood too. But I
Yeah,
don't think it
good
would be
point.
that much.
Good point.
If it was on the wood.
Yeah. Also,
It's also gonna
settle.
It will settle.
Okay. I think it's pretty good. Omar, take it for. Are the lugs tight? Yeah.
Tighten them I've tightened them, but only by sitting down at a ratchet, so it still needs to be torqued.
Okay. Well, I can send it. All right. So this is the finished product. Fitment is pretty good. Probably work on that a little bit. We got the front lip done. Looking proper. Let's give you guys a side profile, how it looks. And then we also installed the third brake light. I'd say looks pretty good.
All right, so voila. After all that work, turn around. After all that time and work, what do you think?
Second time.
Well, now the only thing left to do is enjoy it until we can figure out something else to do.
Oh yeah, it's freezing out here.
Stage 2. Stay tuned in next time.
All right, take it easy. Till next time, guys.